Are you wondering how to change the oil in a classic carbureted vehicle like my '79 Bronco? Well, this is the video for you. It has a '77 Ford 400. I'm going to be using Castrol SAE 10W30, and you can use 10W40 as well, but you do not want to use any kind of semi-synthetic or full synthetic oils. Best deal I found was on Amazon. For 5 quarts here, it's 20 bucks, and you're going to need 6.5 quarts to do this job. You'll also need an FL1A oil filter. I've included links to all these products and tools I'm using today in the description below, so make sure to click on those and check them out. All right, let's get into it. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the dipstick. It's been sitting most this winter. This is where we'll fill the oil at. You can fill it. There is a PCV valve on the other side, so if you really wanted to even it out, you could do that as well, but it really doesn't matter. You can just pour it in on the one side. I'm using a 5/8 socket to remove this. I like to use sockets rather than impacts. That way I don't damage the threads. My plug has been swapped out, so it may not be the original size.
Looks really clean. And we'll let this drain down. Once this starts to just go to a slow drip, then I'll crack the oil filter. The oil filter will probably drip down off the block a little bit, so having a second pan does help.
Oh, this new Workpo wrench is so much better than those soft oil filter wrenches. I'll let this dry. These filters are able to hold up to a quart of oil. I'm just gonna fill it up and let it kind of soak up and make sure I get it around the gasket here, a little bit of oil on there before I put this on. Now, you don't wanna just keep filling it up until it's full because it does sit on there at an angle. So you're just gonna be dumping that out when you put it on. Definitely wanna get some oil in here to get the filter moist and let it soak it up.
I always like to get it started by hand. That way I would make sure I'm not cross-threading it.
Now it's time to fill it back up. 6.5 quarts is this entire container plus 1.5 quarts. I'll let this sit, let it settle for a while, check the level, start it up, let it run for a few, and then check it again. Thanks for watching this how-to video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash on that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. Thanks for watching.